But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl, dear. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight's video is gonna be pretty straightforward, simple, and it's probably not gonna last very long. I hope that you guys had a wonderful week. Welcome to the weekend where joys and wishes come through. I'm just messing with y'all. Anyway, so my Instagrammers, they felt like being investigative. So all of them, well, couple of them, sent me some questions to answer for you guys. So listen, let me tell you the truth. I did the mango prank. Ear still in my teeth. Ear still in my teeth. I don't know which devil juke me in my mole and tell me go eat mango in a braces. Hair still catch up in my teeth, people. It's not a good idea. Don't do it. Don't do it. That was my previous video also, so watch that. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. And remember, watch the video to the end. Watch the video to the end. Do not skip out anything. Just watch the whole video. Don't skip nothing. When the ads is playing, just let it run. Let it run. Let it run. Okay. Do you have a man? That's the first question. I don't have no man. I'm free. Singular. Disencouragement. And all of them something there. I don't have a man. I have a man. Okay? I don't have a man. I have a man. Good. What were you crying for today? I wasn't crying today. Did you see me crying today, bitch? I wasn't crying. Rude. If a poor guy wants you, will you work with him? Yeah. Because I'm not materialistic, that's the first thing. But if you're a poor guy and you want me, then you're supposed to get up off of your ass and go look a job. Like, I don't mind dating a poor guy. I mind dating a poor guy that don't want to work. If you don't want to work, then I'm gonna be pissed. Like, I can't live with you like that. No. I cannot live with you like that. But if it is that you are trying to get a job, you're trying to not be poor, I can date you. So yeah, I can date a poor guy. How old are you? I am 23. I turned 23 on the 13th of April, 19. Oh fuck. Sorry. I turned 23 on the 13th of April, 2020. But look here. It's a two-sided question because somebody else did ask me when my birthday is April the 13th and I am 23. So I'm going to answer one question with two stones. Let me just say two questions with one stone. What made you become a blogger? I started vlogging unintentionally. I didn't intentionally started vlogging. I made a post about my children's father and it literally blew up. And that is how I started vlogging. It wasn't like I got up and I was like, oh hell, I'm going to start vlogging. It wasn't like that. I made a video. I was in I think I still have the yellow. Kitty, pull that jar for me and give me one yellow t-shirt in there. Like, I think my seat's in there. I don't know if I eat. Yeah, the top one. Yeah. It was a yellow looking type of jersey t-shirt thingy. And it kind of long. So, you know, it kind of made me look old in a one way. And then because everybody see me and me kind of look like a madman. And I did tie down my hair too if I not mistake. If I not mistake, I did tie, you know, I don't know where it then. If I did tie, if my hair did tie down and the video went viral. King Mix Up was one of the first person that shared that video. And it went really, really, really viral. And it did have it had bad and good clapbacks. Like, people were negative while people were positive. So because of that, my page just literally started growing. And that is how I started blogging. I didn't intentionally started blogging. So I can't just say what made me do blog. I didn't want to blog at the beginning of starting blogging. Why you so pretty? Blessings. You gotta drink a lot of water. You gotta pray a lot. and you gotta be truthful, because when you lie, your skin start crumple up, because the amount of lie we tell, you always are trying to squeeze the lie inside of you. So you're like like you know, you're always trying to keep that line inside, so you start shrimple up and crimple up. But when you're honest, when you're truthful, you look pretty. That's why I'm so pretty. Thank you for asking. Oh, thanks for saying I'm pretty too. Rascal. I want to go on and go out. Till I sit here still on my teeth on. What age you lose your virginity and how your mom find out? I lost my virginity at age 16. Well, I was almost 17. Well, I was like a month away from 17. So I basically lost it when I was 16 and 9 months. 16 and 8 months. 16 and 11 months. Yeah. I don't have, well, I have a mother, but she never cared. It wasn't like, no. My grandmother, though, how my grandmother found out that I was having sex was my little cousin. I had a little cousin named TJ, and he was a baby at the time. He was about one of them age, I never know, but he did little bad. And he took out my phone, but my phone did pull. Him carry the phone to his mother, and his mother fast, and then you me attack. Mood mind see that video, you girl, and you make everybody know me have sex, and I did 9, you, I never 9, I did 10, 11, and 12, you. I never like your carry on. I don't know how you come down, so you talk too much, man. You could keep a little something to yourself. You have to tell everybody something I take body girl, let me get leak and them something. I don't like your style, girl. Right now, I talk about it, it grieve my heart. Ash my soul and burn up my chest. I don't like your carry on, girl. Upsetting, man. You should have never did do it. You should have do it, girl. Man, you should do it. Man, you should do it. You should do it. You chat too much. But anyway, people, yeah. I TJ took out my phone and carry my phone growing at the back. And when he carry my phone growing at the back, and then go tell my mama, you know, I said, Tiana has sex. And mama said, oh, you know that. She got to show mama my phone. I don't like her carry on. I said, if I could have did you carry on, I would kill her a long time. Told me the feel them time. But no, I forgive you, so I forgive you. Oh, how she reacted? She was very upset. She tell my father. My father threatened me for beat me. Me run my God and my money and come in and make nobody lick me through me have sex. Let sex be free because it bring you and me here. So sex supposed to be free. Anyways, back to the point and back to the story and back to the dividend of this shit is John. I can't bother. Yeah, that was it. Next question. How many tattoos you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But if you had watched the videos on my channel, you would have known this already. I have a video where I talked about my tattoos. So if you want to see all my tattoos and see their meaning and stuff, go watch the video. Next video. Why your kids so beautiful? Girl, I'm a good na make him have to come back. Your pum pum have to tight and the pum pum have to get wet. And make the body just sleeping. So whoops, and you will have good children. Your pum pum have to be slippery when wet. So the body can just whoops in and the pitney them will come nice like a rice. Next question. How many inches can you take?
15.
Heavenly Father, bless my home. These niggas ain't shit, but they want to know how much dick you can take. The fuck? Anyways, how many inches can you take? Listen, the vagina extend depending on how much the mind feels for you. So, if you have a big body, I'ma like you like really like you, and your body like really big, my vagina automatically I go extend to the size of your body so you can go in a hole. That is how my vagina work. Cause I don't feel like me gonna like you and you gonna like me and me gonna in one room by myself and it's always I want to have sex and because my whole little bit and tight and your body big, but I gonna try open up the hole and make you can stuff it in there and juke until you vomit and come out. Nah work. So my pum pum work off of its feelings. It don't work off of the inches. A lady can take any inches. If your big old head can come out of your mother. Why in this heavenly earth? Why in this heavenly earth a big size penis cannot go in a vagina? Boy, bye. Would you take back your ex? No. I don't want back my ex. He is disgusting. He's annoying. He likes to lick. He's lie. And he's skinny as fuck. I don't want him back, boo. I don't want my next man. I don't want my ex-man. My ex-man go on team, y'all. Dear ex-man, woman, I pray that you will make my ex-man fall in love with you and then break him nasty heart. Show him out. That was it for the video, guys. See, all of the questions are finished. I hope you liked it. Remember, watch the videos to the end. I'm going to be giving away credits. Not tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. Saturday? Probably Sunday. So probably Sunday I'll have credits giveaway, guys. Mwah. To my supporters, my real supporters.